Ithimba labameli baka Zuma liyaphikisana nokuqula kwalelicala ngohlelo lwezokuxhumana nge-internet njengoba lithi lokhu kubukela phansi amalungelo akhe. Bathi uZuma unelungelo lokuba senkantolo uma kuqhubeka icala lakhe futhi bathi abakalitholi nethuba lokuxhumana naye ngalelicala ngaphambi kokuqala kwalo.
We are saying to your lordship, because of these intervening circumstances, we have not even been able to consult on this issue of the 1061H. I can tell your lordship from the bar that actually we were consulting on the 28th of June. We were busy consulting on this matter. And then the following day, the Constitutional Court judgment came. And therefore, we were all busy with dealing with that matter.
Umpofu uthi amampunge okushiwo umshushisi wombuso Advocate Billy Downer ukuthi bafake lesicelo sokufuna kuhlehliswe lelicala ngamasonto ambalwa ngoba bebalekela ukuthi liqale. Abameli baka Zuma bafuna kushenxe uDowner njengoba bemsola ngokuphuthuzela abeyindaba imininingwane ethile.
Your lordship made a good proposal last week that it would be prudent to postpone this matter. And that's why we take exception to Mr. Downer's suggestion that this is a delaying tactic. Because if it was a delaying tactic, then it would have come from the person. This proposal came from his lordship. And this proposal also came from the judge president, who asked for matters to be postponed this week.
Umbuso uyaphikisana nalokhu uthi uZuma usesebenzise amaqhinga amaningi kule minyaka edlule ukuze agweme ukuqala kwalelicala.
The accused has for more than 10 years taken every point in the book to avoid having his day in court. He desperately seeks to avoid answering the charges of corruption, fraud and money laundering made against him. He raises objections again and again. The objections raised today are objections which were raised and decided against him by the Supreme Court of Appeal in the spy tapes case and by the full bench in the stay of prosecution.
uTrent Grove uyachitha nokuthi uZuma akakwazi ukubamba iqhaza ecaleni lakhe uma libanjwa ngohlelo lwezokuxhumana nge-internet.
The fallacy in that contention is the suggestion that anything is being decided in Mr. Zuma's absence. Mr. Zuma is present in this hearing as much as any one of us. So there is no question of his exclusion from the hearing. He is present.
Lelicala liyaqhubeka.